लिखे नहीं, रेडी। Unless a businessman has an abundant knowledge of the fundamental art of calculating, he will be hopelessly outclassed in the keen competition of modern times, and might even have to abandon a business life, full stop, an apparently trivial amount, a tiny fraction may make the difference between profit and loss and turn a favorable amount into an adverse balance, full stop. In no branch of commerce is this more evident than in transactions with the continent and other parts of the world, full stop. So many factors have to be taken into consideration that the middleman, by whose offices such transactions are settled, must calculate to a nicety, full stop. He cannot afford to make a rough estimate, or leave the matter to an inefficient man or woman, full stop. Men or women inexperienced in figures would be useless in such offices, full stop. He carries on his business of bill broking, of buying from those who have credit abroad and selling to those that seek credit largely on borrowed money for which he pays interest, full stop. He cannot charge very high for his services for two reasons, full stop. Other brokers are available and there are other ways of settling debts than the buying of a draft to send abroad, full stop. The debtor may procure gold and himself dispatch it, or he may send a security to his foreign creditor, a railway debenture, a municipal bond, a mortgage on land, though he would not be indifferent as to the choice, full stop. For in a sense we can, in these days, so closely identified is property with the legal title to it, export our fields and factories, our railroads and canals, to pay for our imports, full stop. However, a debtor resorts to the export of gold or securities only as a temporary measure, when the bills of exchange are at price he judges exorbitant, full stop. What is this exorbitant price which determine his choice, question mark? It is a price beyond that which he would be required to pay for gold and for the expenses of sending it to his creditors, or for the security that would in the foreign country command enough credit to cancel the debt, full stop. When we are guided, as normally we are, by economic considerations, we elect the cheaper instrument for performing a necessary operation, semicolon. We do not give good money when poorer will suffice, full stop. That would be detrimental to our business, comma, as the audited accounts would afterwards show, full stop.